Aha! So yesterday I was there online. I can't they scroll. I can't hear one blow from one side. Bah! I can't hear bah! I said, wait till they happen for this online. Wait. Now I can't see this video.
Calm down. Did anything happen to my sister? In this house? In this house? Okay. In Ned Woko's house.
No.
In Ned Woko's house, I am nothing. But in my house, I am free.
No, you're still as valuable. Mom, look at me. Look at me, Mom.
Baby, once again, I cannot stand the violence. It's too much. It's too much.
Don't go give water now. Don't go give water. Just relax.
I bet give her water, Daria.
Just wait.
I actually want something.
Just relax.
Wait. Shame on you.
Are you bringing out a gun?
Can you imagine? Wait. Can you imagine this?
Madam, we are begging you, please.
Now wait till I see you. I can't imagine say too. Now this our two love birds won't break up. I'm waiting. Because their picture, video does they fly. I say, wait, no, make I do my own analysis first, make I first go around, make I checkmate them. Then I can't give them, I can't download them for now first. But could not try say when I want break up. No, be this same marriage when I use take oppress everybody for this Nigeria. Hey, I'm gonna let the game mention your life now. Hey, it's better to cry in the Lamborghini than to cry in the my God of mercy. Not be this same Lamborghini. I've been a Ferrari. Not be this same Ferrari.
Feeling down in Fendi, but I got plenty money for the pain in the world. Chilling in the biz, just like Justin Bieber, cause I got the money.
Now the same Ferrari now they cry for help. From who? We the Nigerians where you don't oppress with the marriage. Abi and other people there give me. My own be say I don't get anything to talk too much to. My own be say if you not try and break that marriage, you don't go funny because I go serve una letter. Una go court because I know me and my Nigerian people cannot take this. After all the oppression and the all, no kuna better go back. No kuna better go back. I know see why the two love birds we be say the trend before go. I no agree for this one. So it's either una settle or una settle because either one of them una must do one. I no one here say una break up all this thing. Better go back to your husband house. Carry your kaya as you come out, carry and they go back to your husband house. Make Nigeria rest for now. We never deal with VDM and Billboard iPhone saga. Now Regina and Ned. Nigeria. No they learn. See, when I be careful, I'm gonna shine my eyes. Oh God of mercy.